Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create table on Google. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for docs.google.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be sent to the home page. Here, all of your recent documents will be present, so either open one from here or just create a new blank one. Now, this type of interface will be displayed on your screen. Here, navigate to the Insert tab at the top and then select the table feature from inside of it. After that, you just need to select the number of rows and columns you would like to have. For this tutorial, I will create a 3 by 3 table. Once you have the table, you can start by entering titles inside the empty columns and then navigate to the other ones by pressing the Tab key. You can use the Tab key to move from left to right or Shift plus Tab keys to move from right to left. You can also move up and down by using the arrow keys on your keyboard. In order to edit the way your text looks, simply click and drag over the target columns and then make the changes you want. You can also add a background color by selecting the columns and then clicking on this color icon. After that, you just need to select a color and it will be applied automatically. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.